Alright, so now is the day, guys, where I reveal the new wheels, which I already have them in place. No more of the 22s. Off with the 22s. We're about to put the 20s on, okay? So, ready for this? Drum roll, right? Boom. So these are the new IROC Z wheels that I'm finna throw on the Camaro, right? Right. Got the IROC Z right there, little center cap, okay? So these are it. As you guys noticing, I got the tire lettering kit that I installed on there. It's actually best to do those when the wheels are brand new. That way you don't have too much to clean off as far as the tire grime and all that stuff. But yeah, these are 20s. These are the fronts. These are 275 by 40 or 20. The fronts are 10 inches wide. But once they're in the tire, that buffs them out about 10.5 inches. So it's 10.5s in the fronts. And got the rears, right? The rears are 11s in the back. And these are 315s. Read them upside down right there. 315 by 35 or 20. These are 11 inches wide in the rears. But once they're in the tire, these are probably about 11 and a half, 12s in the rears, okay? Now, as you guys can see, those tires are pretty wide. So yeah, definitely gonna be wider than what's on there, because all around the car right now, I believe these 22s are 9 inches wide all the way around. They're 8.5 inches wide with just the rims, but once you put them in the tires, I think that bumps them up to about 9. Okay, so they're 9s all the way around. And okay, and yeah, so that's what it is. We're gonna go ahead and slap these guys on and do a test fitting first. But as you can see, guys, I went with the copper because you don't see a lot of white with copper, man. So I just want to, you know, change it up just a little bit and give it a different stance, give it a different look. And yeah, I definitely think that copper definitely complements that white like no other, okay? Because again, once I spray this vehicle, everything's going to be white. All the body kit, the rear diffuser that I put on is going to be white. I got a new rear spoiler coming in, that's going to be white. I'm going to paint those rear louvers white. All this stuff you see here, this black accent stuff, that's coming off. Door trim right there, that's coming off. IROC badge coming off. So this thing is going to be all white. I'm not sure yet, but I might keep the original stripes and actually get some new stripes and just get the same matte black stripes and just keep those on there, because again, that's original, that came with the car. But everything you see, the lip and everything, is going to be white. Matter of fact, this whole front bumper is coming off too, guys. Why? Because I got that new ZL1, not new but used, that I got for a good price. That is a new bumper that I'm going to be putting the ZL1 5th gen bumper on the Camaro, but that's coming in another video. Let's go ahead and slap these wheels on and see what it looks like. All right, IROC Z, baby. I actually ceramic coated the wheels too when I first got them, and I ceramic coated the white letters to kind of keep them clean before I put them on the tires, to kind of protect them so I won't have to scrub them as much to keep them white over time. So I ceramic coated the tire letters and the wheels. And for those who don't know what ceramic coating is, water just kind of runs off just like that. That's what ceramic coat does. Oops. Come on. See how water runs off? That's what the ceramic coat does. Kind of curious to see. You can see all this space. It seems like it's about maybe about 3 inches from the wheel, inside wheel, to the wheel well wall right there. So I'm kind of just really curious to see how much of a gap I'm gonna have once I put those 11.5s in the back here. Okay, but as you can see, we got the Camaro lifted up. It's about lifted up maybe a quarter of the way. I never really lifted up too high to do, you know, general stuff like this. So I just got it lifted up about 25% off the ground. So yeah, taking this first lug nut off. Got the old 22s off. Got the new ones on. Okay, got the new ones on. About to drop it down and go and get some more footage right now. Okay. And to my surprise, it's really tight back here now. I could barely get, I say it went from 3.5 inch gap to probably about 1 inch, maybe 1.25 inch gap now with these new wheels on. I'm gonna go ahead and drop her down and see how she looks. Real time, right? Right. Make sure I'm not dropping it on any cabling or cords over here. Nope, pretty clear. Okay, let's go ahead and drop her back down. Oh wow. Oh wow. So she is sitting really nice. She is sitting, the 5th gen is sitting real nice right now. Oh wow. Wow, she actually looks better than I thought. I mean, I knew she was gonna look good, guys, but I mean, this just really looks awesome. Man, I mean, I'm gonna miss those guys. I really am. But seeing these on here, I'm definitely gonna be fine. Oh yeah, she is sitting really nice. Really nice. Oh my God. So let me go ahead and oh wow, yeah, let's pull her out the garage. Go ahead and unbuckle the quick jack, because my car is so low, guys. I actually have to jack it on the back end back here, jack it up just a little bit. That way I can get those oh no, I might be able to just slide them out. Oh no, never mind. I could just push them out because it was so low, but I forgot I did some adjustments and lifted her back up. But I used to have to jack that up just to get these quick jack stands under there, but no, we're pretty good. That's what we're about to do, man. I'm gonna go ahead and pull her out and get a better angle shot of the whole car and see how she looks. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so there she is. Tell me what y'all think, man. I think she looks better. I think she looks a lot better. Got more beef on the tires. The tire lettering kit really brings the car out now, especially on top of the coilovers. So y'all gonna have to let me know what y'all think, man. She is really, to me, sitting a lot more aggressive than she ever has been. I mean, don't get me wrong, those 22s look clean. Definitely gonna miss these boys, because honestly, if they would have had these style IROC rims with the staggered setup, I would have went and bought these in 20s again. That's how much I like those rims so much. But I mean, you cannot knock the new IROC Z wheels, man. IROC Z, yeah. So, and that's what I love about them too, because me personally on YouTube, I haven't seen any other 5th gen. I've seen one other white 6th gen with these style rims, but I haven't seen any 5th gens at all with these new IROC Z's wheels. I'm not saying they don't exist, but I haven't seen them. So definitely. So y'all let me know, man, what y'all think, man, of the new wheels. We went back down to 20s. And again, we got the copper wheels on there now, so. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Boy, Kriese TV, we signing out, man. Y'all be cool.